In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple photos in Canva. Whether you're designing a collage, putting together a presentation, or simply looking to enhance your creative project, knowing how to seamlessly incorporate multiple photos can make a significant difference in your final product. So, let's dive right in and work on transforming your design skills. When you first open your Canva project, you'll want to direct your attention over to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a section labeled Elements. Go ahead and click on that. This section is like a treasure chest filled with different graphics, lines, shapes, and frames that can really elevate and refine your design. For our purposes today, we'll be focusing on frames. They are perfect tools that allow us to contain our photos beautifully within a structured layout. Within the Elements section, you'll notice a handy search bar at the top of the panel. This will be incredibly helpful for swiftly finding the right tools. In the search bar, type in "for frame", then hit Enter. You should now see a plethora of frame options ranging from simple grids to more intricate layouts. These frames act like placeholders for your images, providing a clean, crisp way to arrange multiple photos on a single page. As you browse through the selection, pick a frame that aligns with your design vision. Once you've chosen a frame, simply click on it and drag it onto your Canva page. You can resize and reposition the frame as needed by clicking and dragging its corners or edges. Take some time to play around with it until the placement feels just right. Next, it's time to add our photos. Click on the Uploads tab, which you'll also see on the left-hand side. This is where you'll find all of your previously uploaded files. If you haven't uploaded your photos yet, you can easily do so now by clicking the Upload Files button and selecting the photos you'd like to use from your computer. Once uploaded, they'll appear in your Uploads library, ready to be used in your project. Now that our photos are available, it's time to insert them into your design. Click and drag each photo from the Uploads library one by one onto the frames you've placed on your page. You'll probably notice that Canva smartly snaps each photo into the frame, making your workflow smooth and efficient. If you want to adjust how the image is cropped within the frame, simply double-click on the image. This action will allow you to reposition it inside the frame to achieve the desired look. And just like that, with a few simple clicks and drags, you've successfully added multiple photos to your Canva project. Feel free to experiment with different frames and layouts to best convey the story you want to tell through your design. With this method, you can ensure that your images are displayed in an organized manner that complements your overall creative vision. Happy designing!